Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video we have learnt about the data type string, how we declare the string variables and what are the inbuilt functions for string. We have seen the type function and the length function to get the length of the characters in the string. So in this video we are going to cover the slicing in string. So what do you mean by slicing? So slicing can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. So let me declare first one string. Let's say I have a string called name, or let's take different variable name. Let's say y, and here I print the Code Crush. So this is my variable and I have provided here the string value. So what we mean by slicing? So basically slicing is you need to take the variable name y and in square brackets. So in the last video we have seen we can get any characters by providing the index name. Suppose if I provide 0 I will get this C, if I provide 2 I will get this D. But in slicing you can get the range of characters, like you need to provide the start position. Let's say I provide the start position 0. From 0 the indexing starts. You need to separate the start position and end position by a semicolon, separated by a colon here, and you need to provide, let's say I provide here 3. Okay, let's print this. So I will pass it in print function. So this is my variable, and from start position I have provided 0, so it will take from 0, and last one is 3. So let 0, first, second and third. So I should get code as my output. Let's check what we get. So see, I am able to get COD. So 0th position is printed, first position is printed, second position is printed, but not the third one. So it means that if you provide here 3, it will not include 3, it will just include up to 2. So this value is not included, it is excluded. If I provide here 4, then it will print from 0 to 3. So in that case we will get here code. So see, because this is 0, this is first, this is second, and this is the third position. So fourth is not included. So this is the syntax of slicing. So the first character has index 0 and the last has 3. The 4 is not included. So what we can do with this slicing more? So you can also provide just the start, and you in this case you haven't provided the last index. So it will print all the values starting from the 0 till end. Let me show you. So see, entire Code Crush is printed, but what if I entered here 2? Let's say I want from second position. So this is first, means 0th position, this is first, this is second. So from D it will print till end. Let me run this. So see, DE is printed and Crush is printed. So what if I don't give the start position here, and let me provide here the end position. Let's say I want to end it at 7. Let me run this. So if you haven't provided the start position, by default it will start from 0. So from 0 it start code till 6, because we have provided here 7, so it will print till 6. So these are the 0, first, second, third, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth. So in this way you can provide. If you don't provide any start, let's say I don't provide any start and end, what will it print in this case? So if you haven't provided start and end, it will print the entire string, so which is Code Crush. So another way, in this slicing you can also provide the negative values. Before that, let me show you. If I print -1, so what I will get? So I'm getting here H. It means it will print the last value. So negative numbers start from the reverse of string, like the last number will be -1, it will be -2. If I say -2, then it will print S. See, it is printing as S. So let's say I want to print this crush in negative indexing. So how can I do this? So first will be, last position will be -1. So if I provide a semicolon, last position will be -1, and here it will be, this will be the -1, this is -2, this is -3, -4, -5, and this will be -6. So I will start from -5 and I 1, but in this case you know that the end position is excluded. Like, let me run this. So see, CRUS is printed, but -1 is not printed. As we know, the last one was not getting printed, it was printing till its previous position. So if I want to print the entire string, I will remove this -1 from here. So it will start from -5, and I haven't provided any end, so it will go until the end value. So if I run this, so this is the crush is being printed. So this is how you can play with the negative indexing also. So this is the use of slicing. You can get any range of characters by providing the values here. So that's it for this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.